Day 8 of Murugan Magamandram journey, Om Saravana Bhava. A lot of members asked to me how to write Om Saravana Bhava 36 times in English. Today I written that first of all Om Saravana Bhava 6 times. After that Om Ravana Bhava 6 times. Then Om Vanaba Vasara 6 times. Then Om Nabava Sarava 6 times. Then Om Bhava Saravana 6 times. Finally, Om Vasara Vanaba 6 times. Totally 36 times. Write the chant. By chanting those cat mandram daily with faith and devotions for 48 days, it is believed that Lord Murugar blessing can bring the peace, confidence, positivity, and helpful. Let us chant with sincere and devotion. Om Saravana Bhava. May Lord Murugar bless you and your family. Thank you for watching.